Welcome to English Conversation Hub. In this video, you'll listen to a natural, real-life English conversation between Ryan and Alexa as they talk about life after graduation, memories, and how time changes everything. If you want to improve your spoken English, understand natural expressions, and learn how people really talk in everyday situations, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the lines, and enjoy the conversation. Let's get started.
Hey, Alex, I can't believe it's really you after all these years.
I know, man. Time really flies. Look at you. You haven't changed much.
That's what everyone says, but trust me, I feel older. How long has it been since college?
Almost 10 years. Can you believe that? 10 whole years.
Wow, it feels like yesterday despite the passage of time.
Exactly. I still remember those late night study sessions and all the random talks in the canteen.
And those last-minute assignments, you always finished yours on time, and I always copied from you.
Yeah, and you always promised to buy me coffee for it, but somehow forgot every time.
Guilty as charged. But seriously, those were some of the best days of my life.
Same here. Things were simpler back then. No deadlines, no bills, no responsibilities.
True. Now it's just meetings, projects, and endless emails. Sometimes I really miss that carefree life.
Yeah, me too. But, I think growing up isn't all that bad. We've learned, we've grown, and we've come a long way.
That's a good way to see it. Still, whenever I walk past our old college, nostalgia hits hard.
I visited last year. The campus has changed so much, but the vibe is still the same.
Really? I should go too. Maybe we can plan a visit together someday.
That would be awesome. We'll grab some chai from that old stall near the gate.
Yes, I can already imagine it, sitting there and laughing about how we thought life would be easy after graduation.
Little did we know, but I guess that's what makes memories special.
You're right. No matter how far we go or how much time passes, some moments just stay fresh.
That's it for today's conversation. If you enjoyed listening to Ryan and Alexa, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Conversation Hub. Practice these lines out loud to improve your fluency, confidence, and pronunciation. More real-life English conversations are coming soon, so stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving your English.